Guy was talking. Yeah. That guy was talking about rubber ducks. Just rubber ducks, eh? Just rubber ducks.
The Slug Boys, yay!
Fucking.
No one goes.
What in the fuck is
You've
that?
got an oxygen meter, by the way.
I don't know what the fuck
What?
he's saying. What is that? Don't follow me.
come
Don't fucking follow me. Oxygen is fine, but there's a big fucking weird ass Stay Puft Marshmallow Baby like following me.
Oh, I remember
That's our
Big Space getting
expedition
back
bit.
into us, boo.
What the fuck?
Oh, you smashed it!
Oh, who smashed it, man?
Oh,
Come on, that was a lot of money.
Well, that's inside our base.
How was I meant to know? Tell me, how was I meant to know that it was gonna crack?
There was a spooky eyeball
Fucking
staring
hell.
at you, whispering at you. I don't know how to help you.
Fucking
Hey,
stop
how do
it.
you want that shit? I don't know. I'm dead. Do you punch you, cunt? Ow. Maybe don't punch it. Is that the police?
Man, me for? I get the police. Get this cunt to fuck.
Oh my fucking goodness. That is the police.
Oh, yeah, fucker.
But fucked anyway, I picked up one, QB. Right, okay, let's see what it is. QB is a police submarine, let's not go to that.
There's M2 coming in as well. M2's coming fast.
M2 is a Leviathan!
Hey,
Hey guys, it's like Iron Lung Markiplier's Iron Lung.
it's coming fast.
I can hear it.
Brace!
Fucking hell, man.
Must be a way to avoid them.
It's that fucking
Oh,
mad
what the
floating heat thing
what
again.
the fuck is all this?
I'm getting chased by this thing.
The fucking. Oh, yeah, I'm actually. This is actually like fucking with me. This.
No, I don't know, I'm not having a good time, to be honest.
What the fuck?
What?
I seen a TV screen with that face. You see that?
No.
I'm seeing Jeff the
Oh, it's
Killer.
coming for you. It's coming for you.
Oh! Fuck off! Fuck off, man! I don't like to see.
Probably did.
I think so. I'm about to be as well.
Don't know, you're going to play with him, I think. I don't know how to defeat him.
I just see a bunch of fucking tellies with their faces on it. I hate to see, man. I hate to see. I'd like to be in a boat. In a boat. I don't need to fucking go anywhere.
I am the king of Atlantis.
I am not safe. Ah, you can't stop me, bitch. Ah! You can't have me. You can't have me.
Go, hurry up, go, hurry up.
You can't kill me. You can't kill me. You can't kill me.
I'm back!
You can't kill me. We got a W3.
W3 is the Kraken.
Right.
Right, well, I'm not moving.
It's speeding up. It's speeding up. Full send it. Full send it. Full send it.
Send it, man!
It's coming. It's coming. Full send it. Full send.
30 fucking whatever.
Oh shit! It's right here. It's right here. Right. It's passing us.
Fuck.
Loch Ness Monster! It's a Loch Ness Monster coming.
We're not moving anyway.
Oh, Nessie's coming for us. Nessie's coming. Nessie is speeding up. She's here.
There must be defences we can unlock.
I've just put the lever, so what the fuck? Do we go outside?
No, we don't. What?
We don't. No.
Do we
I'm
open the
not
doors?
fucking
Come
going
on.
out there, mate.
Come on, Lois. Well, don't be a shake bag.
This game is fucking like messing with me, man.
We
In the belly of the beast.
Brilliant. I'm gonna get the trolley.
Fucking leaving Lewis out there.
I know, I'm grabbing the trolley. hold on.
Get in.
Yeah, man, no good. No good, man.
Aye, I know.
I'll go there and get shit since these are shake bags.
Go our fault, mate. What the fuck is that? Guy was talking. Yeah. That guy was talking about rubber ducks. Just rubber ducks, eh? Just rubber ducks. Come on, soldier. We need to go.
How do I revive him? Wait, take him to the health, maybe.
Right, don't go fucking near that thing then.
Oh!
What is that?
Oh!
What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh yeah, fucker! Oh yeah, bastard! Close it! Close it!
DVD.
What the fuck is that? It's really tempting. Just fucking.
What's he doing at me? What's he doing at me? Ah! Ah!
He's doing something to me, you know? Swim faster, but your life is reduced. What? What? Fucking Cthulhu came in and fucking cursed us?
Yeah, big man. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, so you've got your own skin as a trade for a rubber ducky. Like, I feel like the duck king is.
You took too long. You took fucking too long.
Grab it, grab it.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Third time's the charm.
This game's not that bad, is it?
Fuck off.
I mean, I'm having a right time. I don't know about yours.
I'm not having a good time. This game's made me fucking anxiety and shit. Come on, like. You brought in two people that are out of the ocean. Like, what the fuck you meant? What are you gonna expect, mate? P5 is the Kraken. X4, X4, X4. Shit. What's X4? X4 is a Loch Ness monster. Fuck. Look, alright, P5 is coming as well, which is the fucking Kraken right now. With W5. Fuck it. I'm doing two fucking jobs at once! Right, we got a foot. We got a
Yeah, fuck.
C5 is the Kraken. Right, fuck me.
Alright.
I'm.
See the state you've got this man in? Fucking got this boy panicking.
You said I've been to the year 3000. The largest wage, but they lived underwater.
I'm running out of oxygen.
Ah!
same.
Something's on
what
me!
is that?
Something's on me! What is that? What is that?
What is that?
Ah! Get it off me! Get it off me! Fuck! What is this? What the fuck? Fucking get off my hand! Get off my hand! Fucking trying to fucking hit it off the wall! What the fuck is you? What is you?
That was so fucking funny, just switching between the both of yous.
How?
Fucking alright, fine.
What you talking?
Dude, he was just all calm, just floating about with the trolley, putting things away. I spoke back to you, you're screaming, getting chased off everything.
Fucking police. Too much evidence left on the site. I was.
I can't move. What the fuck? The police!
Oh, we're under arrest, that's how.
Brilliant.
What are they doing?
Posing up.
Fuck.
Am I showing my arse?
Why am I upside down?
I'm showing my arse.
You're fucking arrested by the underwater police.
Well, that was eventful for a first mission, I guess.